I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're going to take a quick look at Scout's 261 XSS. This is a brand new 2025 model that's in our showroom here in Jacksonville Beach. Great boat for inshore fishing, offshore fishing. This is a loaded boat. It's got everything that you're going to need for a nice day of cruising around or a great day of fishing. First thing you're going to see in the back of the boat is the white 400 horsepower Mercury. And that's the V10 Mercury. It's going to be a nice little rocket ship boat. And you can see also on the stern, it's got the dual power poles. And when I mentioned cruising, this isn't just a hardcore fishing boat. You've got everything on here too, that if you want to just take the family out for the day to ride around, look at the 3 comfortable seats that we've got in the back of this. Really high back support on those. Awesome place to sit and ride. You've got a live well back here in the back of the boat with some extra rod holders. Fresh and raw water washdown. Very wide helm seat with flip-up thigh-rise bolsters. And again, nice high backrests on these, flip-down armrests, super comfortable seats. This boat's got all the electronics that you need on it already. It's got dual Garmin screens on here, Garmin VHF radio. You can't see it, but up on top, this has got the Garmin radar on here as well. Beautiful black Edison steering wheel. Let's work our way towards the bow area. And again, like I said, it's loaded. It's already got the Garmin trolling motor on here. Again, going back to the cruising aspect of this boat, these nice removable backrests that are up here, nice high back support. Check out this double wide bench seat underneath that bench seat. Nice big coffin box. Also your ladder for your stern for climbing on and off the boat. Pop-up cleats, drink holders in the front, speakers all around in this boat. This is an awesome day boat, awesome fishing boat. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take a test ride on it, call my cell phone 904-625-6146.